Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to factory reset your Windows 11 computer back to factory settings. So if you have a lot of programs installed and you have lots of issues with different settings or errors, and you just want to do a clean factory reset, and then I'll show you the easy method on how to do that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung reset this PC. Okay? And then next step ay click mo lang dito yung open. And then madadirect tayo dito sa system and recovery. Okay? So makikita mo dito yung reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. Okay? So dito sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung reset PC. Okay? So click mo lang yan. And then pop up tong dalawang options. Choose an options. Keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. And then yung pangalawa naman, ito yung remove everything. Removes all of your personal files, apps, and then yung settings. So kailangan mo lang mag-select dito sa dalawa. Kung sa tingin mo yung PC mo or laptops ay masyado na siyang naglalags, madaming errors, so mahirap na siyang mag-open. So mas magandang i-click mo to or choose mo tong remove everything. Kung yung PC mo naman ay maraming files, so okay naman siya. So konting lag lang or errors, pwede mo itong choose tong keep my files. Right? So select ka lang dito sa dalawa. Alright? And then next naman, may mga options naman na dito na pwede natin gawin, katulad ng advanced startup. So pwede kang mag-restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from disk or USB drive. So click mo lang tong restart now. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to reset a Windows 11 PC back to factory settings. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.